Hello, welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to use trunc formula in Excel. First of all, let's understand what is trunc function in Excel. It's very easy to understand. So basically trunc function used to remove fractional part of the number. So today I have data set, product details and a discount of its product. Okay, let's see how to use this formula to convert decimal points into numbers. Equal to trunc open bracket. So if you see, there are two arguments in this. One is number, so this is mandatory, and another one is optional, that is number digits. So I'm going to use C5 value here in number. Just hit enter button and drag and drop till end. Okay, so in this scenario you can see all the numbers details. Okay, so decimal points has been converted as number in the same method. So now we are going to use this optional method. Okay, so that means num digit here. Okay, trunc open bracket, same value, comma, num digits. So this time I'm going to give number of digits here. So how many digits, that means decimal points, has to be retained in this decimal points. So now I'm going to use 1, which means 1, that means first decimal points will be retained here. Example, if I want to maintain second position also, just update 2 and drag and drop. Okay, what if, so if I give any negative or minus numbers in this formula, trunc open bracket, again same value, but this time I'm going to give minus value, so -1. Okay, so first value is 0 and next one is 30. That means the last positions of the number will be replaced with 0. So in this scenario 34, so 4 value is replaced with 0. So in this same scenario, so here also you can see, so 145, so 5 was replaced with 0, so it's showing us 140. So in this method you can start to use trunc function to convert decimal values into number. Also, one more thing to note, so this trunc function can be used for numbers but not for text. Very soon I will create one more video for truncate for text and post it soon. Thanks guys for watching this video. We will meet in another video very soon. Thank you.